important portion of CBSE mathematics, which is differential calculus, and here is the problem which is related to the concept of maxima and minima. So before starting the problem, first of all we will recall the concept of maxima and minima. What are the different approaches to find the maxima and minima? So there are basically two different approaches in NCERT mathematics to find the maxima or minima. So the first approach is, this is first derivative test. In the first derivative test, you have to simply follow the following steps. In first step, you have to find the f dash x value, and in the second step, you have to equate the f dash x to 0 and find all the possible values of x. Here I am mentioning the word all the possible values of x. Okay, so here the values of x, and in step 3 you have to simply draw the number line and represent all these values of x on this number line. Okay, and find the interval of positive and negative using the wavy curve method. So if the interval is positive, then it will represent the interval of maxima, and if the interval is negative, then it will represent the interval of minima. So these are the steps in first derivative test, and in second derivative test you have to simply find the value of f dash x in step 1. Okay, and in step 2 you have to equate the f dash x to 0 and find all the possible values of x. These are the common steps between these two approaches, and but the step 3 is different from first derivative test. In step 3 you have to find f double dash x, or second derivative of the function. So you have to find f double dash x. Now in step 4 is the resulting step. In this step you have to put the value of x where f dash x was 0 in f double dash x, and if you got the result as positive, then you can say that that particular point where f dash x was 0 will be point of minima. ओके ना, तो ये कहने का मतलब हुआ कि यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू जहाँ f dash x जिसकी वजह से 0 हो रहा था, उस पॉइंट पे आप f डबल डैश x का वैल्यू चेक करते हो और वो वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आता है, तो वो पॉइंट मिनिमा का होगा. और सेम वे at the point where f dash x was 0 and you find the value of f double dash x at that particular point and you got the negative result, then you can say that point is point of maxima. Okay, so this is the basic concept of maxima and minima. These are the two approaches you have to follow. Now considering this problem, so this is the problem. Here fx is given and you have to find the maxima and minima, and according to the question it says that the point of maxima is p and the point of minima is q, and the relation between p and q is this. Then you have to find the value of m. So let me separate this thing. So what we have to do is, first of all you have to simply find the value. In step 1 you have to simply find the value of f dash x. So f dash x is clearly 6 of x square minus 18 of mx plus 12 of m square. Okay, now you have to factorize this quadratic equation in this manner: 6 of x minus m and x minus 2m. Okay, so this is the solved format of f dash x. But in step 2 you have to equate the f dash x to 0. I am equating the f dash x to 0, so this results in x equals to m and the second value of x will be 2m. Now I am using in this problem the second derivative test. So in second derivative test, in the third step you have to find the double derivative of the function. So here I am getting the value of f double dash x as 12 of x minus 18 of m. Now in the step 4th, which is the resulting step, in this step you have to check the value of f double dash x at these particular points where f dash x was 0. So first I am considering the value of m, x as m, so testing the value of f double dash m, which is equals to 12 of m minus 18 of m, so which results minus 6 of m. And in the problem it is given that m is always a positive number, so if this positive number is multiplied with minus 6, then this results in negative number. So at the point x equals to m, there exists a point of maxima, so this results in maxima. And in the same manner, if you check the value of f double dash x at the point x equals to 2m, then this results f double dash of 2m, which results in 6 of m. Already it is given that value of m is positive, and if this is multiplied with 6, this results in positive result. So this is the positive result, and in this way you can say that according to this conclusion, you can say that at the point x equals to 2m, there exists a point of minimum. Okay, so these are the point of maxima and minima for the given fx. And but the question says that maxima exists at the point P. So if I put the value of P as m, and the question says that minima exists at the point of Q, and our minima is the point at x equals to 2m, so Q will be 2m, and the relation between P and Q is P square equals to Q, P square equals to Q. And if I use these values of P and Q, it results m square equals to twice of m. Okay, so here I transfer this value of 2m to left hand side, it results m as a common factor and m minus 2 equals to 0. So I got the value of m as 0 and the second value will be 2. But question says that m is already greater than 0, so this value is not possible, so this value is rejected, and the only possible value for m is 2. So this is our answer. Okay, so this is also a good problem from the portion of maxima and minima. So basic concept is first derivative test or second derivative test. Okay, thank you.